Hello, everyone. This December, I'm really excited to be going to Las Vegas for the Microsoft 365 Collaboration Conference. In this short video, I will share some of the sessions and workshops that I will have at the conference. So let's get started. First of all, the conference will happen in Las Vegas, December 7th to 9. Those are the dates for the sessions. However, there are 2 days for workshops before the conference, as well as 1 day after. So, if you really only have one conference you're going to this year, this will be the one because there's a ton of opportunity for content. There's over 150 speakers, 20 workshops, and over 200 sessions. So, on the first day, I have one workshop with my good friend Daniel, which actually joined me for this video. Let me add him here. How are you doing, Daniel?
Hello, Vlad. I'm doing well. I'm glad to be here to talk about our workshops.
Yes, workshops with an S. That's going to be
Plural,
exciting.
yes.
So the first one we're going to do on the Sunday, if I remember correctly, the schedule is the Getting Started with Microsoft 365. What do you want to say about this workshop, Daniel?
Well, this one is really to help those that maybe are on prem or that are just getting started with Microsoft 365, or maybe you've just been using the services but really haven't developed your own solutions, or you don't know what the other services are that you haven't used. So this one is to give you a solid foundation of Microsoft 365 and really help you succeed with the other sessions that you may be attending at this conference, as well as giving you that step up on others when you're starting to look at how to use those other services in Microsoft 365.
I really love what you said there at the end. Give you that solid foundation because by attending this kind of pre-conference workshop, you will build the knowledge you need. And after that, you're going to say, hey, I want to dig deeper into Microsoft List, for example. And you're already going to have that base knowledge. So once you go to sessions during the 3 days of conference, you're going to be able to get the most out of them because you're not going to need to go to a bunch of getting started ones. You're already going to have that. So then you can go to the more fun, more intermediate to advanced topics. So this is our first workshop. But as much as we would love to, I don't think we can share everything in one single day. So me
That's
and
right.
Daniel have a second workshop called Microsoft 365 Power User Masterclass, where we really build on that solid foundation that we talked about the day before, but we wanted to take it to the next level where you don't only use the services and know what they are, but you're also able to personalize them. So configure your team settings, configure your SharePoint online sites, go deeper into permissions, and even a bit of automation.
That's right.
Uh,
We're going to include building those solutions, taking you from using the services, becoming that power user, maybe, and that champion in your organization, the one that people can go to that really get the answers of how can I do this thing in this service. So we'll also include some Power Platform and including Power Automate, Power BI data tools, as well as Microsoft List. How do you create solutions with that? So this one is really, and this one's going to be on Monday. And this one really is that workshop for those that are familiar with the services. So you know the services that are there. You don't have to be an expert. That's what this workshop is for, is to help become that expert. And that's why it's called the master class. So we hope you can join us.
Oh yeah, it'll be fun. And whether you're in the IT department or you just, like Daniel said, want to become the champion in HR and marketing in your own department, this workshop will be amazing. Daniel, thank you very much for joining me. And I think we're both looking forward and we hope to see you in Vegas at those workshops. Okay, now let me move over to my session. Between December 7th and 9th, when it's the time for the sessions, I will have one single session because it's going to be a busy week, and it's called How to Automate Your Modern SharePoint Site Provisioning Solutions. And I'm lucky again, I'll be joined by another good friend of mine, Drew Matalong. How are you doing, Drew?
Great, Vlad. Nice to talk to you today.
Yeah, it's been too long since we haven't seen each other in person, so I'm really looking forward to Vegas.
It's coming up right around the corner here.
Uh, this session, Drew, we've done it a few years ago and it was a hit. But a lot has changed in between the last time we did it and now. I mean, so many Microsoft solutions came out, Teams templates came out, so many exciting things. Uh, you work with a lot of big enterprises. What do you see their challenges with creating a modern site provisioning solution?
Yeah, what I really think we're going to concentrate on here that we're gonna bring to the table is how organizations how do you kind of evolve from existing uh, templating solutions that you've had. So a lot of the organizations I've worked with coming from SharePoint on premises need to evolve their site template solution into something more modern that involves modern team templates and now modern SharePoint site templates and really the automation around that. And do you want to have any approvals in there? Do we want to have any business processes that are based around provisioning? So what I see and what we're really going to talk about here is the governance and administration capabilities you have around building new collaboration solutions in Microsoft 365 and giving you some real life examples and demos that we've seen work out in the wild and how you can take that with you and start to go build them yourself.
And I think the goal is really to find that balance between user productivity. How can a user, when they request something, have it fast, being able to make them productive fast, while still keeping IT happy? So how do we make, like you said, those approvals in place, having the right template from the start, being productive from the go? So this will be a really interesting session. We're going to touch a lot of things from Power Automate, site designs, PNP, Power Apps. We're really going to, even Power BI, we're really going to showcase how everything can work together for you to be able to implement a modern, I even want to call it a modern collaboration workspace provisioning solution in Microsoft 365. Well,
Absolutely.
Drew, thank you very much for joining me, and I can't wait to have people join our session in Vegas.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks, Vlad.
Thank you. Okay, now on the last day, I have one final workshop. This will be the Friday, so after the sessions, and this will be about a topic which is really dear to my heart, which is SharePoint on premises. So the workshop is called the SharePoint Administrator Day Camp. We're going to cover what's new about SharePoint on premises with the SharePoint Server Subscription Edition that just came out this year. We're going to cover how to design a topology, and we're also, of course, going to talk about hybrid best practices and optimizations. This is it for this quick video. I really hope to see you all in Las Vegas. If you want to sign up, make sure you sign up fast because you can get the best price before October 25th, 2021. And of course, the earlier you sign up, the more you're going to save. And also, if you sign up for a workshop, I think it's on the homepage here, you can also get some really cool swag from a Surface Go 2 to an Apple Watch or an iPad mini. So it's really worth it to sign up early. And if you want to save an extra $50, make sure to use code VLAD at checkout. Thank you very much, and I really hope to see you in Vegas.